Welcome back, classic car lovers. Today, we're diving into one of the most extravagant and head-turning cars of the late 50s, the 1959 Chrysler Imperial. With its dramatic styling, plush interior, and powerful V8 under the hood, the 59 Imperial was Detroit's boldest answer to Cadillac and Lincoln. Let's explore this American icon in detail. Exterior. The 1959 Imperial wasn't just a luxury car, it was a rolling statement. Designed during the height of the space age, it flaunted styling that was anything but subtle. Up front, you're greeted by a massive chrome grille that stretches across the nose like a gleaming fortress. Dual headlamps are set in dramatic pods, giving it a futuristic, almost alien appearance. Move to the sides, and you'll find long, sculpted body lines with deeply recessed wheel arches and jet-age chrome accents. The real showstopper, though, is at the rear, those iconic freestanding taillights perched atop sweeping fins. They look like missiles ready to launch, and they made the Imperial instantly recognizable from any angle. Riding on a 129-inch wheelbase, the car measured over 227 inches long, exuding grandeur in every inch. The roofline was available in several unique styles, including the hardtop and the dramatic Southampton models, which featured wraparound rear windows without a B-pillar, a true engineering flex at the time. Interior. Step inside, and the 1959 Imperial doesn't disappoint. Chrysler designed the interior to feel like a high-end lounge, complete with premium materials and space-age touches. The dash is a standout, with a symmetrical design and aircraft-inspired controls. You'll notice the push-button transmission selector on the left, Chrysler's unique alternative to the traditional gear shifter. The steering wheel is a two-spoke design with a square center hub, and directly ahead, you'll find a dazzling cluster of gauges lit with electroluminescent lighting, a feature far ahead of its time. Plush bench seating, available in leather or brocade fabrics, ensures a comfortable ride for 6 adults. And let's not forget the power amenities. Windows, seats, and even the antenna could be operated with the touch of a button. Performance. Under the hood, the 1959 Imperial delivered serious performance. Powered by a 413 cubic inch wedge V8 engine, it cranked out a solid 350 horsepower. This was paired with Chrysler's smooth shifting 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Despite its size, the Imperial could rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 10 seconds, impressive for a vehicle weighing nearly 5,000 pounds. The torsion bar front suspension, part of Chrysler's Torsion Air Ride, provided a surprisingly smooth and controlled driving experience. Add in power steering and power brakes as standard, and you had a car that wasn't just luxurious, it was easy to drive too. It wasn't a corner carver, but that was never the point. This was a car meant to cruise, and to be seen in. So, what's the final verdict on the 1959 Chrysler Imperial? This car was a masterpiece of late 50s American excess, bold, unapologetic, and dripping with style. It combined cutting-edge design, luxury, and performance in a way that few cars of its time could match. While today it might be a rare sight, the 59 Imperial remains a stunning reminder of an era when automakers pushed the limits of imagination. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, do it. The details, the size, the presence, it's a showstopper from every angle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a true American classic, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more vintage car reviews. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.